Unlock the power to sign and manage your crucial documents with unparalleled ease using Dochub's advanced signature features. Let's dive right in. First, access your Dochub account and navigate to the dashboard to begin. Click on the Create New Document option. This will prompt you to upload the document you need signed. You can easily upload your file by dragging and dropping it into the designated area or by selecting Choose File to browse your computer's folders once uploaded. Dochub will process your document, preparing it for the signing process. Now the magic happens. On the right-hand side panel, you'll find a variety of tools to add signature fields. Simply drag and drop the signature field onto the document. Where you want it placed, you can also add initial fields, text fields, or date fields as needed. Next, it's time to specify who needs to sign. Click on the Add Recipient button here. You'll enter the email address and name of each signer. Dochub allows you to assign specific fields to each recipient, ensuring they only interact with the sections relevant to them. Once you've set up all the fields and recipients, click Send for signature. Your recipients will receive an email with a link to access and sign the document. You can easily track the progress of your request directly from your Dochub dashboard. You'll see real-time updates on who has viewed the document and who has completed their signature. After all parties have signed, your document is securely stored within Dochub. You can access your signed documents anytime from the My Documents or Signed Documents section. This centralized system ensures all your legally binding agreements are organized and readily available. Streamline your workflow and embrace the future of secure document signing with Dochub. Integrate it today for all your signing needs. For more tips, be sure to subscribe.